Hello, today we are presenting cross-cultural team management. Here are our team members, and I start from introduction. Globalization increases the necessity for cross-functional and cross-cultural teams. However, these teams often encourage challenges such as work styles, miscommunication. Framework like Hofset's culture dimension leads assess leaders in understanding and managing cultural difference, which can enhance collaboration and performance within the team. Hofstede's analysis examines the obstacles, strategies for effective management.
Right. Today we are discussing challenges in cross-cultural teams. So we have listed some of the challenges. As first one is communication barrier. Language differences in between different countries may create communication challenges and leading misunderstandings to the team and people. Second one is cultural misunderstandings. Like different cultural have different values, norms, and work ethics. They create some of the frictions between the team. Third one is conflict resolutions. Due to cultural differences, they have difficulties to addressing issues directly. So they have unresolved conflicts. Fourth one is time zone challenges. Different country have different times, and we have a multiple time zones for that. So they leading the delay in decision makings and reduce productivities. Stereotyping, cultural stereotype can lead bias and misunderstandings into the team.
Hello everyone. So we have taken an example of a global software development company, and we have a team member from the US, India, and France. With this example, by using Hofstede method for the team member culture dimension, and for the power distance, team member from the India are more likely following a hierarchical structure, whereas the team member from the US are equally distributed in individualism and collectivism. US team member are more toward focusing on individualism, whereas Indian team member are like to work in a group and in uncertainty avoidance. Team member from the France are more detailed plan. I like to seek detailed plans and risk mitigation strategies. And in masculinity and femininity, team member from the US are more likely not like to compare men with the female. Whereas in a team member from the France, they consider men and women both equally and with the work-life balance.
By using Hofstede dimension in managing a multicultural team in power distance, for power distance we need to balance hierarchical culture with inclusive practices and include their team members. In individual where collectivism, we need to provide incentive and rewards accordingly. In uncertainty avoidance, for high uncertainty avoidance, we need to provide structure plans, and for lower their incentive provide cultures and their imbalance flexibility.
Multicultural team, the remaining dimensions are masculinity and femininity. Feminities. For masculine oriented team, we need to foster a competition environment, and for a feminities cultural, we need to promote collaborations and quality of life initiatives. For long term and short term oriented teams, align goals with cultural preference and focus on a long term strategies. For a long term oriented team and for a short term oriented team, we need to short term result for present focus ones. For indulgent cultural team, we need to offer a freedom to innovate, and for a resistant oriented team, we need to maintain a clear guidance in a restrained one. In conclusion, we have seen a cross-functional and a cross-cultural leadership and a team challenges. By using Hofset dimension, we can better understand practice strategies, mitigations, the navigation effect of stereotypes, and leverage cultural differences. By using Hofset dimension, we can understand different cultural intelligence within the team, so we can change our challenges into our opportunities. These are the references we are using in our slides. Thank you for watching us.